Where did you first hear of Interlock?
At the state fair, actually, Minnesota State Fair. Just going there, looking at different products and different things for a future roof on the house, trying to get an idea what I wanted to put on the house. And I knew I needed a roof in the future, and I was trying to look at what are my options, what kind of things can I put on my house. I had a wood roof before, and I wanted to go with something better than the wood roof, something that would last longer. I did not want to go with another wood roof.
Here in Mendota Heights, you see a lot of the wood roofs. That's what you had. What was some of your deciding factors with going with this roof?
Well, a combination of things. From seeing roofs replaced in the neighborhood, within 5 years, they look old. People have to hire someone every 3 to 4 years to go around on the roof and nail down the loose shakes. My gutters were always clogged with, wood debris, and looked like mud in the gutters. And on top of it, my homeowner's insurance I found out it was double what it should be because I had a wood roof, because people do not maintain their wood roofs and they're very expensive to replace when they're neglected and a storm comes through. I contacted Interlock Metal Roofing and had them come out last year and give me a bid when I was painting the house and could see how bad my roof was. And then I called them again this year in the spring and set up a time, and they were out, very quickly, and we negotiated a price, and the product was put on in a timely fashion, and everything was clean and well organized, and the roof just went together so nice that my wife gives me praise constantly about it.
Oh, that's
and
good.
If a happy wife is a happy life. It's a big investment on your home, and I'm going to be looking at this roof for the rest of my life. And they were very open to suggestions, and they're very open to tell me what was going on at each step of the process, so I knew. And every day they cleaned up before they left, and everything was all rolled up, tied up, packaged away, so that they kept a very clean work site here. They always had a dumpster on site, and we're always keeping everything in the dumpster and kept it covered, and everything went great.
You had mentioned that you received a pretty significant discount with your homeowner's policy. Do you mind sharing that with us?
Yes, I wasn't sure initially what kind of discount I had until I found out that I was spending a considerable amount to have a wood roof. Once removing the wood roof and getting a new roof and then getting a metal roof in addition, my homeowner's insurance went from nearly $3,000 to just over $1,500 a year.
What is it that made you choose Interlock versus all the different products that you could have went with?
Well, I learned that aluminum has properties that are actually better than steel. Not only is the corrosion measurement, significantly better, there's the lack of corrosion with aluminum, drops heat faster than steel does. And on top of it, I didn't want to worry about, scratches starting to rust or the gutter, the valleys starting to rust. We're very happy with that color. It's timeless. It doesn't stick out. It looks natural. It blends in with the rest of the house. I would absolutely recommend, because it's going to last significantly longer. It's not going to show dirt like a shingle roof. And you're not going to have to worry about a re-roof in 15 or 20 years or less. In some cases, 10 years around here. It's just a significantly better roof, and I believe for the dollar.
If you were to go do everything all over again, with what you know now, would you do anything different?
No, I'd do the same thing. I'm very happy I went with this decision. I think going from a wood roof to something, I did not want to go backwards. So I did not want to go to a shingle roof. I wanted to actually improve. I wanted to make the house better than it was before. And I fully believe it was my only choice. I think it was the only roof that was going to last the test of time and was going to hold up and not have to be replaced. So I went with an aluminum roof.
David, I've said it a million times. I'm going to say it again. Thank you for your business.
Thanks a lot.